All right, where are we on our low? There we go. There's some markets populated. Okay, so yesterday, guys, we had the stop exit out there in Lowe's, LOW at 45 cents. Okay, this is exactly why I didn't want to have it out there right now. We probably would have gotten stopped out right now and don't really want to. So let's let's see how this thing trades right now, and perhaps we will put something else out there. And let's take a look at our VIX calls from yesterday. Okay, they're bid up just a tick. I'm going to put that back out there, guys, for anybody that did not get the VIX calls yesterday. Good morning, Kent. All right, I am going to put that out there to buy that VIX call. We'll get that out there shortly. Market pretty much unchanged. United up a little bit, which is bringing Delta up a little. We have a Delta spread that goes out this Friday. We need a little bit more to the upside. If we can get that, would be very nice.